Let me explain. We recently had a customer return a set of binoculars because they were larger and heavier than they thought they would be. Yeah, fair enough. The dimensions and the weight were actually on the product description on my website, but we'll put the dimensions to one side and we'll talk about the weight. Not the set, but the set they was talking about was 600 grams, but they weighed them at 700. So in a similar way to a motorcycle, you have the dry weight and the wet weight. The dry weight is without any fluids, any petrol, oil, etc., maybe even the battery. That's the dry weight. The wet weight is when it's basically good to go. With binoculars, the dry weight, so these are 457 grams and that is 457 grams. Now if you were to get the lens caps and the strap, that takes it up to, well, maybe another 80 or 100 grams depending on the size of the binocular. Obviously larger binoculars, larger lens caps, so 80 to 100 grams. And so yeah, I guess the customer did have a point, and it's something I've not really thought about. And I guess that also on some occasions people who have a belt loop like this maybe have the binoculars down the side of them inside the case, and so then it's 457 grams plus all of this. And so I hope that explains binocular weight. It's not something I've really looked into much, and it was just this customer that brought it to my attention really. So yeah, if ever you see the weight of the binoculars, it's that weight without the accessories. So a little bit shorter than normal this video, so as always I hope it helps, and I'll see you next time.